Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing 11 things you can do right now to make life easier. If you're new here, my name is Shannon and you can hit the subscribe button to join my channel. The first thing on my list is to unplug from social media and just take a break from computers, apps, and everything else, TV. Just give your mind a break for a little while, and this will help simplify your life and give you a lot more time, because I'm sure we've all been there where we're scrolling through social media and next thing you know, a whole hour has been completely wasted and you wonder what you got from that hour. So unplugging from social media is a great way to simplify. Number 2 is to organize your pantry. Write down everything you have in there, things you might need to buy or replace. Get rid of outdated food. Donate items that maybe you bought and never ended up using but is still good. And you can donate to food pantries. But definitely organizing your pantry and going through all that stuff can help simplify your life. It makes it easier to cook meals and it makes it easier to go shopping because you know what you have and what you need. Number 3 is go through your closet, get rid of all those things that you never wear or those just in case items, or maybe your fantasy self, you thought you might dress up really crazy and wear all these fun costumey type outfits, but then you never did. So going through your closet, decluttering it. I have a full decluttering ebook. I will link that down below in case you're interested in how we decluttered our lives. But going through your closet will help you simplify, because when you go to get dressed, it will be so much quicker and so much easier because everything will fit and you know it all looks good together. Number 4 is learn to say no. So it's very hard to do this sometimes, and I know even I have felt guilt enough to say yes to things that I had no interest in doing, and it takes a lot of time to do all those things. And if you say no once in a while, you will get a lot of time back and it will simplify your life as well, because we only have so much time in the day. So by saying no to those things that aren't bringing joy to your life or enhancing your life, can help simplify your life in a lot of ways. Number 5 is to clear your mind. We can get so wrapped up in our daily chores and keeping everything organized and trying to make everything perfect that we never clear our minds and relax. So one thing you can do is you can meditate or do a mind dump, where you just get a piece of paper and write down everything that you're thinking, so you can truly relax and take all of those thoughts that are popping up in your head out onto paper and clear your mind so you don't have to store them. I know sometimes if I'm going to bed and I keep thinking of something that I want to remember the next day, I can't sleep until I go and write it down. So definitely clearing your mind can help simplify your life in so many ways. Number 6 is have a me day. Just relax, take a day for yourself. Don't do any chores for a while, or just set them aside and only do the chores that you have to do to get through the day, and just take a walk or whatever it is that makes you happy. But take a day for yourself once in a while and just clear your mind and relax doing something that you truly enjoy doing. Number 7 is to check your friends list, and this can apply to a lot of the apps that we are on. But go through your friends and see if you really want to be following all these people. A lot of them could be accounts you've never known the person, or you don't even really truly like, but you followed a long time ago. So go through and just see what you really want to be following and who you want to be interacting with. And the same goes for real people in real life. If there are people that are taking a lot of your time, maybe take a step back from those people and simplify your life by focusing on yourself more and less on other people's outside dramas. I'm reading this book all about simplifying, and I can link it down below, but it says to just take a break from everyone for a month and do the least amount possible so you can see where you can simplify your life and this book suggests don't be on the phone or texting people. Leave a message saying, hey, I'm really busy right now, or I'm trying to take a little break right now, so leave me a message and I'll get back to you in a few days. So take a break from your regular routine, and checking those friends and making sure that you want those people in your life or you want to be following them on social media is just a great way to simplify. Number 8 is to reduce monthly spending and subscriptions. So a lot of those subscriptions that we sign up for actually take our time. So subscriptions to magazines, subscriptions to those boxes, you just want to make sure that you're actually using them, that they're making you happy, they're making your life easier. The last thing you want to do is be subscribed to a bunch of stuff that is just wasting your money or wasting your time as well. And a big one is subscriptions to TV services, movies, and all of that. Just make sure that you want to be just subscribed to everything and your money's not just being wasted. Number 9 is to read a book instead of watching TV. I find reading to be very relaxing, especially if I read right before bed. I try to read something that isn't thought-provoking or makes me think up a whole bunch of new ideas. I love those type of books, but right before bed, I want to read something extremely simple and something fiction usually, where I don't have to be coming up with all these ideas that just naturally pop in my head when I read a really great thought-provoking book. So definitely reading, especially before bed, can help relax you and simplify your life because you're going to get to bed easier, and it's going to help with the light, because when you have bright TV in your eyes right before bed, it is even harder to fall asleep. So definitely reading instead of watching TV is another way to really simplify your life. Number 10 is to make a list. Especially if you're about to go shopping, make a list of everything that you are going to go get or that you need. And this will help you 2 ways. It will help you remember things that you really do need. It will also help to keep you on that list so you don't go purchase things that you don't need and waste money and also bring more clutter into your house. So making a list can really keep you on track for a simple, easy life and make it much easier, especially on your finances. Number 11 is to use a daily or weekly planner. I actually just made a printable that I will link down below, and it's a way to keep track of finances and just daily tasks that I like to write out. I don't like to write too many tasks for each day in my planner, but I do like to write down what I want to get done because it helps keep me on track, and it also simplifies my life because I know what I really need to get done that day, and then I know how much time I have to myself, and that makes my life a lot easier. It helps with stress and the chaos that all of our lives tend to be in a lot of the time. So simply jotting some ideas for my day down really helped me. So I will link that printable down below in case you're interested. You can check that out. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.